Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert page numbers in Google Docs. So as you can see here, I have a document with 4 paragraphs and you can see that there is no page number on any of these pages. It's not in the footer, it's not on the header either. So here's how you can insert one to your document. First, go to the insert menu and then click page numbers. And then here you have the options of whether or not you want to add page number on the very first page. So as you can see here, there are 2 options. You can put it on the header or you can put it at the footer of the document. And there is another option called more options, but that's basically just the combination of these 4 options. So anyway, I'm going to select this option that gives me the page number on every page, including the page 1, and they will be located at the footer of the page. So click on that. And there you go. As you can see here, there is a page number at the bottom right corner of each page. However, let's say you don't like the style of the text, you want to use a different font or you want to make it larger. Sure, you can do that. Make sure to disable or uncheck this box, and then you can select the text, select the page number, and then you can change the color, the size, and yeah, of course you can change the color as well. You can make it bolder. I want to turn it to maybe red, and yeah, that's the result. And let's see on the other page. Yeah, it also it'll apply to the second, third, and fourth page. So that's basically how you can add a page number in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.